I'm speaking about, of course, high inflation as well as interest rate hikes that we saw the Apex Bank ending the MPR for the year at 16.5%. And the market was still able to pull that when global markets like the United States, European markets, as well as other markets were really wilting from global events. What really made that happen, briefly?
Okay, I think the best way to explain that is to look at how it all started. If you recall, you see that shortly after the MPC meeting, did the further hike in MPR in November. Just shortly after that, the market pick up again. Ordinarily, market will have reacted, negatively, just the same way it did in the past or in the previous MPR hikes. But this time around, I think market looked beyond just the MPR hike. Market was somehow bullish on the possible transition from one government to the other, and that seeing clearly that the end result of this transition would be that we are moving from from a government that seems to favor public sector domineering focus to a government, or possibly to a government that will have a private sector domineering focus. So market also pricing all those factors, the possible transition, from public sector dominance to a private sector dominance. So that also informed the decision of some of these investors, especially those savvy investors, those highly technical, highly skilled investors in the area of technical analysis. So they have seen that yes, this hike is just for a while, and of course this high interest rate is just for a while, and the inflation number that we are seeing is also for a while. After some time, we will see a better economy and a better market. So investors are actually bullish on what will happen in May 29, not just the election anymore, because they have seen clear that the election is just between basically three candidates that are pro-market. So that should be positive for the market. So that essentially explains why some of these investors took that decision. Again,